going to show you how to use the pen tool in the Photoshop app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the left column, click on the pen tool, which is this pen, and then let's say we want to select something. We just click, click, click. We can also drag to create a curve like this, like this, like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward how to use this tool. You just click and drag occasionally to match the contour of what you want to select, and then you can connect it back, and you can do a lot of things. You can fill the path with some with a color, for example. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.